Hello, I'm Jen Lee with Jen Lee Law. Here's a brief overview of the types of services that I offer in my law firm. A debt strategy session is used for people who have debt, they're worried about how to pay it back, and they want to know what their options are. During the session, we go over your income, expenses, liabilities, and assets to figure exactly what you owe, who you owe it to, and what can be done for each debt. Sometimes the result from this is bankruptcy as an option, sometimes it's debt consolidation, settlement. There may be other options out there as well. Generally, we go through 4 to 6 options to discuss timelines, costs, and what your long-term future looks like under each option. Part of that session is also goal setting because we want to make sure that we're meeting your long-term goals with your finances. The second session I offer is a credit report review session. This session is mostly used for people who are looking to apply for a mortgage in the next 12 to 18 months and want to make sure that their credit score is accurate and things aren't being reported incorrectly. So during that session, we actually review your credit report line by line and go through options for disputing or coming up with strategies for increasing your credit score. The third session I offer is a post-bankruptcy strategy session. And this session came about because I had so many people come to me after filing bankruptcy, not necessarily with me as their attorney, but they came to me afterwards and said, well, I didn't know I was supposed to pay my second mortgage still, or I didn't know what I was supposed to pay afterwards, and now my credit is still really bad. What can I do? So during this session, we go through and figure out how you can increase your credit score, how to get you back on track for a good financial future. Finally, my last session is a student loan session, and this session can be for someone who either is applying for student loans and they haven't taken them out yet, or you have student loans and you're having problems paying them back. There are tons and tons of options out there for student loans, but most people are unaware of them. So during this session, we go through options and discuss timelines and fees as well. I'm Jen Lee with Jen Lee Law. If you're considering any debt or credit issues, please contact me at my website, www.jenleelaw.com.